Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character 无 step by step. First, I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. Let's write 无 means no, not. Unless. For example, 无法 unable. Here is a sentence. We cannot change the past. We can't change the past. 我们无法改变过去。我们无法改变 change 过去 past。我们无法改变过去。We can't change the past. 无 inclusive. Here is a similar looking character. Please pay attention to the differences. 天 day. 无 no, not. 无法 unable. We can't change the past. 我们无法改变过去。Please comment any sentence with Chinese character 无. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.